morning students. Today we'll start with standard 2 subject EVS. Okay. I hope you all are completing your books and notebooks also now. Okay. Now we'll start with the next lesson. Lesson number 2.9 days to remember, page number 43. Everyone, you have to take your textbooks also out when we are reading. Okay. In this lesson we'll see which days we have to remember. First is the national festivals. We'll see about the national festivals. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year. You all know 15th of August is celebrated as the Independence Day. India became free from British rule on this day in 1947. See, in this picture you can see the children are standing in a straight line in front of the flag. Correct? We celebrate the Independence Day by hoisting the flag. To celebrate this day, we decorate the school with torans. On this day, what do children usually do? They decorate the school with torans. We march around the playground. Our principal hoists the national flag. Children, what else they do? They also march around the playground. You all also might have done now in your school. You remember 15th August? See, they march around the school, and who hoists the national flag? The principal. The principal hoists the national flag. We all stand in attention and sing the national anthem and patriotic song. On this day we also stand in attention, sing our national anthem and also some more patriotic songs. We celebrate, the next is Republic Day. When do we celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate it on 26th of January. Correct? After hoisting the national flag, we sing the national anthem and patriotic song. On this day also what we do? We hoist a national flag. We also sing the national anthem and also some more patriotic songs. We take part in the school's art competition. In some schools there are also competitions held, different competitions. So here there is art competition. So children also take part in the competition. Our teachers narrate stories of our great leaders. What do the teachers also do? They tell the children the stories about the great leaders. How they helped India to become free from the British rule. Okay? Mahatma Gandhi is regarded as the father of our nation. This you all must know that Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of our nation. The 2nd of October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. The birth date of Mahatma Ji, that is of 2nd October, it is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Now we will also see some other special days. They are Teachers Day. Everyone, do you remember Teachers Day? Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September. It is the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan. Why is it celebrated? It is celebrated as the birth date of Dr. Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President of India. Second is Children's Day, that is your day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th of November. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 14th November, Children's Day. It is celebrated because of the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. See, the picture is given both of them. See, he is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and he is Dr. Radhakrishnan. His day is celebrated as Teachers Day and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Okay? Now we will see the next page. Page number 44. Okay. Now we will see some happy times. When do we have some happy times? holidays our parents take us for picnics. See, you all also request your parents to take you out for a picnic on Saturdays and Sundays, correct? That is your happy time. We go to the beach and make castles with sand. Some go to the beach, see here, they make sand castle, while some we go to the garden or we go to a neighbor's place, correct? But we all go somewhere or the other. That is a holiday. We want something different, correct? Next, we also go to the gardens and parks, right? Many children love the gardens and parks, so they also visit them. And they also play with their friends. Sometimes we go to the circus or the zoo. If on some of the particular holiday there is a circus or a zoo come around in your area, you also visit that, correct? So, you all love holidays? Now, do you know the colors of a national flag has a special significance? See, you might have seen a national flag. It has different colors and all the color has its own significance. Saffron is for courage. Saffron, which is in the top of the flag, it is for courage and sacrifice. White is for purity, truth and peace. The color that is in the middle part, white, it is for purity, truth and also peace. Next is green. Where is green? We have green color in the lower part of a flag. What is green for? Green is for faith, fertility and prosperity. The chakra in the center is blue in color. See this chakra, you can see, this is blue in color. The blue signifies the sky above and the sea below. What this chakra resembles us, it tells us about the sky and also the sea below us. And see, this picture that is given to you on page number 44, you have to color this flag, okay? This is your homework. You have to color this flag. Here, saffron, white and green, okay? You have to color this flag. And we have finished with the lesson. The question answers that are given to you on page number 45. Only this is your question answers. This will be given to you in the end of this video. You have to complete this book and also notebook, okay? I am telling you again, you should keep both your books completed, okay? Thank you.